What is going on, everyone? I wish you all doing fine. Actually, we all heard about the hurricane that hit Kentucky States, that hit Kentucky State in the U.S. Actually, it was sad what happened, and we heard that the hurricane killed more than 70 people, plus many others got harmed by that hurricane. I share the condolences with the victims' families. And I pray things to get better, and I wish the US and the world to become safe without natural disasters. Amen. Thank you for watching.